Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today I will discuss about awareness on modifying stiffness or property modifiers. Normally we use PM, that means property modifiers, to consider members as cracked section in design. In serviceability check we use different PM for members. So always we need to modify the PM value after design for serviceability check. If we use PM in section properties of members and after design for serviceability check, to save our time we select member type to assign PM. This leads us to a big mistake. I wanted to discuss this in previous tutorials but unfortunately I forgot. Now with result difference I will show the mistake and what is the better way to use PM values always. So let's see. For example, this is one model. Usually when we define frame section with column section, here we change our property or stiffness modification factors. For example 0.7, 0.7. This is what we usually do. Along with the section property definition, we define section properties. That time we do this changes to use stiffness modifiers. For column sections, all column sections, we have used stiffness modifiers in frame section properties. Now this is one column section C20 by 50. Here we can see the property modifiers none, that means all factors is 1. Although we have changed inside the section property, that will not be shown here. Click on OK. With this stiffness modifier we go through the design. After the design, when we need to check the serviceability, we need to change the stiffness modifier. In this time, if we want to change the stiffness modifier from the frame section type, we need longer time. So in this time, what we usually do, we try to save our time like this. Select object type, columns, select, then assign here property modifiers. From here we can change the stiffness modification factor also 0.9. For example, as per IS code, for serviceability check we need to assign 0.9 for I2 and I3. So in this way, for saving our time, if we assign stiffness modifier, then we will see the result. Here now we can see the property modifiers is 0.9, 0.9, I2 to I33, and as we have stiffness modifier already in frame section property, that is 0.7. Now it is coming resultant stiffness modifier is 0.7 into 0.9, that is 0.63. So it is a mistake. Now for this case we will see the result. Run the design. Here we will see the rebar percentage apply 1.65%. Target was to provide the stiffness modifier as 0.9 for columns. So now we will go to section properties. From here we will change the stiffness modifier 1 1. Click on OK. Okay. Now here we can see the property modifier here 0.9 0.9. Now inside the section property we have 1 and here 0.9. So 1 into 0.9, that is giving us the desired value of stiffness modifier. Now we can see the result. We may think that when we are selecting all the object type and assigning the property modifiers, that is changing the property of stiffness modifiers to the exact value, but that is not true. That is multiplying with the stiffness modifier used in the section property. So now here we can run the design. Here you can see the river percentage. Before it was 1.65%, now it is giving 2.4%. So huge difference in result. So this result difference will affect on serviceability check also. So what is the best way to use stiffness modifier? That is, we will not define section properties with stiffness modification factors or property modifiers. We will keep all this value same as it is with factor 1. We will keep the stiffness modifier or property modifiers with factor 1, and when we will go for design, then we will select our object type columns, then assign property modifier 0.7 0.7. So using this property modifiers or stiffness modifiers, we will do the design, or we will complete the design. After finishing the design, we will save the model in different name like serve. Here we can check the property modifiers is 0.7. So this is our actual value as the property modification factor is 1 inside the section property. Now we will select the columns to change the stiffness modifier from 0.7 to 0.9. Here we will type 0.9 0.9, then we will click on apply, close. Now we will see the property modifiers changed to 0.9 from 0.7 to 0.9. So this is the best way to practice the stiffness modifiers in ETABS. So we will never use stiffness modifiers in section property. Here we will not use the stiffness modifiers. Here we will use stiffness modification factor after finishing the model by object type, then assign property modifiers. From here we will use our stiffness modifiers. For slab also we can use same way, object type slab, then assign shell. Here from stiffness modifier, from here we can use our modification factors. So this is the better way to use stiffness modifiers that will not allow to do any mistake. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more important tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.